Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make galaxy cupcakes. First, let's get started with the base. Begin by gathering your standard cupcake ingredients, such as a cake mix, eggs, oil, and water. Next, prepare your chosen cupcake batter according to the package instructions. Remember to fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full before baking them as directed. This ensures a perfect base for our cosmic creations. Now, let's create the stunning cosmic colors for your frosting. Start by preparing a batch of smooth vanilla buttercream frosting. Once ready, divide this frosting evenly into 3 separate bowls. In each bowl, add a few drops of gel food coloring to achieve vibrant blue, purple, and pink hues. These colors will be essential for our galaxy effect. It's time to bring the galaxy to life on your cupcakes. Take your cooled cupcakes and begin swirling the different colored frostings onto them using a small offset spatula or knife. Don't be afraid to blend the colors slightly. Next, generously add edible glitter and star sprinkles for that extra cosmic sparkle. Finally, use a clean paintbrush to flick diluted white food coloring onto the cupcakes, creating tiny, distant stars. Your galaxy cupcakes are almost complete. Allow the decorated frosting to set for a few minutes to ensure everything stays in place. For optimal freshness, store your finished cupcakes in an airtight container at room temperature. They are now ready to be enjoyed and shared. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.